In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Prime Video on your PC or laptop. If you've been itching to watch your favorite shows or movies straight from your desktop, you've come to the right place. So, let me guide you through this straightforward process step by step. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon's official website. In your address bar, type in www.amazon.com and hit enter. This will bring up Amazon's homepage, where you'll find yourself one step closer to accessing an ocean of movies and TV series. Once you're on Amazon's site, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You'll notice a sign in button right there. Click on it and sign into your Amazon account using your email address and password. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, you can easily create one by following the prompts for new users. Remember, accessing Amazon's full range of services, including Prime Video, requires an account, so this is an essential step. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken back to Amazon's homepage. Now hover over your name at the top, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the Account and Lists section and click on it. This will bring you to a page filled with various account settings and options. It's a bit of a hub for everything personal to your Amazon account. As you navigate the Account and Lists page, direct your attention to the Prime option. Click on the Prime link. This should take you to Amazon Prime's dedicated services section. Here you'll see a lot about what subscriptions offer, but we're focusing right on their video content. Now that you're on the Prime section, it's time to find your entertainment of choice. Browse or search for the movies or shows that spark your interest. With Prime Video, you have an extensive library at your fingertips, ranging from blockbuster hits to critically acclaimed series. Once you've found something you'd like to watch, click on it. You may need to confirm your Prime membership. Sometimes it requires an extra click or two to verify access. Then sit back and relax. Your chosen movie or show should load right into Prime Video's integrated player, ready for you to enjoy. So, there you have it. You've effectively unlocked the full potential of Amazon Prime Video on your PC or laptop. Whether it's a riveting drama series or an enchanting documentary, your next great watch is just a few clicks away. Grab some popcorn, settle in, and let the binge watching begin. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your viewing.